Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Leo people, Sun, Moon, Rising, and we will be checking what is happening in the next 6 months when it comes to your career or your life purpose or whatever it is. So let's begin with your reading. Let's see what do we have for Leo. So we have the better my story gets, the better my life gets. So I think you guys are really up to, you know, gaining life experiences, building something. Some of you may also write a book, or you are probably planning to write a book or write some kind of blogs, but something related to writing, something related to expressing. Some of you may start a podcast as well. So that is what I see. And I have control over the thoughts that I think. So you are becoming really good with manifestation. ओके आपकी जो मैनिफेस्टेशन पावर्स हैं, जो आपकी मैनिफेस्टेशन स्किल्स हैं, वो बहुत अच्छे से इंक्रीज होती हुई दिखाई दे रही हैं. ओके समथिंग दैट यू थॉट दैट मे बी इट वाज नॉट इन योर डेस्टिनी, और मे बी this is not something that I'm supposed to do, or I don't know how to do this and that. All of that is changing. Okay, I don't think there's going to be anything for Leo that is going to be impossible for you. Okay, I don't think that you will it's just that you will make the impossible possible. Okay, in the next 6 months, let me read the message. It says, begin telling the story of your desire, and then add to it the details of the positive aspects that you can find that match those desires, and then embellish your positive expectations by speculating with your good feeling. Wouldn't be if it nice if I do this, if I do that, if I go here, if I start this podcast, if I start this new newsletter, let's say, or something like that. Okay, you can say things like, only good things come to me and I'll figure it out as I go along. Every time you tell your better feeling story, you will feel better, and the details of your life will improve. The better it gets, the better it gets. And then we have, since you have control over what thoughts you offer, you could be more just than the powerful law of attraction, responding equally to everyone who offers a vibration. Once you gain control over the thoughts you think, your sense of injustice will subside and will be replaced by the exuberance for life and the zest to create that you were born with. Let everything in the universe be an example to you of the way the law of universe works. So you will be setting an example, something that I have already told you, and this example could be something that you have never done, that you never imagined, but there's some kind of zeal, there's some kind of force which is taking you in a direction of positivity, magic, miracles, law of attraction, law of universe, all of that. And I think you should, I have this strange feeling that you should be reading this book called I think it's called Law of यूनिवर्स और लॉ ऑफ द स्पिरिट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आपको मिल जाएगी Amazon पे. And there's another book which is this one. This is really good for manifestation and stuff. It's by Pam Groot, and it's 9 do it yourself energy experiments that prove your thoughts create your reality. E2, E square, actually. So this is the book. I really recommend you to read this book. This will really shape your mind in such a way that your conscious, subconscious, and unconscious, all three are going to be in complete alignment. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is that one thing that you need to be careful about in these 6 months. Tap into your spiritual power, energize yourself with earthing. So two things that I think you should be doing. Firstly, ground yourself Okay, and as soon as you wake up, make sure that you're not staying on your bed even for a minute. Okay, there's something related to your room, there's something related to your environment. कुछ एक ऐसा environment है that makes you really lethargic and lazy. So you need to see what is that one thing which is making you lazy or lethargic. The more you tap and understand what is making you lazy, you will be able to bring a great change and improvement into your lifestyle. Okay, so there needs to be some changes in your lifestyle. Some of you, I also feel that you need to be a bit more flexible when it comes to your body, mind and spirit, because when you will become flexible from here, you will see changes in front of you. Some of you have that rigidity कि अगर मैंने ऐसा सोचा है तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, because ये चीज़ मुझे पसंद है. वो थोड़ा उसे मौका दो, कुछ चीज़ों को अपनी रिजिडिटी हटा के, अपनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी हटा के चीज़ों को एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो. ओके, एंड सम ऑफ यू, आई ऑल्सो फील दैट योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बिगिन विद दिस career journey of yours. Okay, the more you get connected to your career, you will be able to get connected to spirituality more. Okay, it says reach out to a power greater than yourself to help solve a dilemma. Stay open to its guidance in your life. So या तो आपके कोई ऐसे गुरु हैं, कोई आपके ऐसे मेंटोर हैं, कोई एक ऐसे पर्सन है जिनसे आप एक डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन बना के, whether this person is alive or not, that doesn't matter. Okay, but you can make a direct connection with this mentor of yours and you have the person's name in your mind. ओके, वाइल यू आर लिसनिंग टू दिस, आपको पता है कि मैं किस चीज़ की बात कर रही हूँ, किस पर्सन की बात कर रही हूँ. यू जस्ट नीड टू बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्गर कनेक्शन विद दिस फोर्स, विद दिस सोर्स. ओके, with this light, and you will have such a smooth journey. And I don't know why, but I do feel that you have certain templates in your mind कि अगर सक्सेसफुल होना है तो स्ट्रगल करना पड़ेगा, अगर सक्सेसफुल होना है तो स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, सक्सेसफुल होना है तो ये करना पड़ेगा. एंड these are all false narratives. Maybe this has worked for someone else, but maybe you do not have to walk on this path. Maybe you can create something easier for you, right? So it's not that कि जो लोग बहुत हमेशा से सफ़र किए हैं या जिन लोगों ने बहुत सफरिंग्स देखी हैं वही लोग सक्सेसफुल होंगे, कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है ये. ओके, बिकॉज अगर ऐसा होता तो कुछ पास्ट कर्मास का तो फिर लेना देना होता ही नहीं ना. सो डू नॉट गिव योर self false narratives. Do not set certain templates in your mind. Come out of those templates, create new templates in your subconscious. You can also do self hypnotherapy. Okay, you can create certain affirmations and अपने subconscious में आप उस चीज़ को store कर सकते हो. So let's see. I think psychology, spirituality, and the way you think, these are going to be the three main key elements in the next 6 months in your career. Okay, let's see what else do we have. मैसेज इन अ बॉटल, यांग, बहुत यांग एनर्जी होने वाली है. कम टू द एज. ओके, सो नंबर 1, आई डू थिंक दैट 6 इज गोइंग टू बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट नंबर फॉर यू. ब्लू एनर्जी मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम में दिख रही है, ब्लूइश ग्रीनिश एनर्जी. सो समथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर थ्रोट चक्रा एंड हार्ट चक्रा. ओके, योर हार्ट चक्रा एंड योर थ्रोट चक्रा both are going to get activated. You will be able to follow your purpose. You will be able to do something that your heart is wanting to do, that your heart is taking you, where your heart is taking you, in which direction your heart is taking you. You will be able to understand those messages and you will be able to act upon it. So your solar chakra, which is for action, which is for willpower, your heart chakra, which is going to guide you in the right direction. The heart always takes us in the right direction. You will be able to lead with love with your heart chakra, and third is your throat chakras, which is expressing whatever is there in your heart. Whatever you are willing to do, you will be able to implement it, you will be able to express it in the most beautiful manner. And I do see that either certain offers are going to come to you, an important news is definitely on its way. And I think September, October, August, September, October and November, these 4 months are going to be very, very important for you. I do see that some of you might handle some international projects. आप हो सकता है कुछ international projects करो, आप हो सकता है आपको बाहर abroad जाना पड़े to handle few things or certain projects. I see you doing collaborations, not exactly collaborations, but I see that people would want to collaborate with you, but not in a collaborative manner. Okay, it's something else, and I'm not being able to tap into what it is, but I can just give you some hint. Okay, and other than that, when I talk about the yang energy, it's like there's this feeling where you are going solo and yet you are with everyone. Okay, this is what I see in your energy, Leo. I don't think that you're going to be afraid anymore to take risks, to take any kind of decision or doing something unusual, because कुछ तो ऐसा अवेकन होता हुआ दिख रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे, कुछ एक ऐसी पावर आती हुई दिख रही है, कुछ आप ऐसा एक सोर्स के साथ कनेक्ट होते हुए दिख रहे हो जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपके लिए चेंज कर देगी. ओके, वो बोलते हैं ना बेड़ा पार लगा देती है माता रानी, एक वो एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है. योर सन इज़ गोइंग टू बी ब्रिलियंट. ओके, you will be on number 1, you will be on top, Leo. Okay, this is your year. Like all these rest of the months, they are all for you. Universe is saying ja beta le ja. Okay, that kind of energy is there. And कुछ लोगों के लिए I also feel that your solar chakra was kind of blocked, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो sun था वो भी कहीं ना कहीं एक retrograde वाले उसमें था. अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते थे आप नहीं कर पाते थे, implementation नहीं हो पाती थी, action oriented नहीं थे, probably you were more into your thoughts and your mind. So now finally that sun energy is blooming. Okay, येलो इज गोइंग टू बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कलर फॉर यू. ग्रीन, जो ग्रास ग्रीन कलर होता है, दैट कलर कैन बी रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. इट विल हेल्प यू टू हार्मोनाइज योर माइंड एंड हार्ट. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स डू वी हैव फॉर लियो. So we have Ace of Swords, we have the Chariot, we have the Tower, 9 of Pentacles, and we have Knight of Swords, and we have 10 of Swords. तो पहली चीज़ तो ये कि कुछ एंडिंग होने के बाद ही ये बिगिनिंग होगी. सो व्हेन आई से दैट दैट सन इज़ फाइनली गोइंग टू ब्लूम, वो जो आपका सोलर चक्र है इट्स फाइनली गेटिंग एक्टिवेटेड. सो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी वेरी ईजी. ओके, कुछ लोगों को मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि या तो आपको कुछ ऐसे हेल्थ इश्यूज हो सकते हैं विच इज़ गोइंग टू मोटिवेट यू टू कम आउट ऑफ योर comfort zone, to come out of your laziness or a certain lifestyle. That is definitely going to happen. But other than that, the more clarity you get here, the more action you will be able to put. Okay, firstly you have all the spiritual protection from the universe. So anything that you need to do, where you need to do something extraordinary, where you feel that you haven't done, जस्ट डू इट, गो अहेड. ओके, उसमें आपको पैसे मिलेंगे या नहीं, उसमें आपको रिकग्निशन मिलेगी या नहीं, आपको कुछ भी नहीं सोचना है. यहाँ पे आप में से काफ़ी लोगों का एक स्पिरिचुअल पर्पस मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है, एक ऐसा पर्पस दिखाई दे रहा है जिसका पैसों से, फेम से, इन सब चीज़ों से कुछ लेना देना नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, यू जस्ट नीड टू डू वॉट यू नीड टू डू at the moment. Do not think about money, do not think about fame, just keep doing whatever your heart is desiring. Okay, other than that, you need to detach yourself from status, wealth, and all of those things. Okay, या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए दैट यू हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू डिटैच योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दीज थिंग्स लाइक स्टेटस एंड वेल्थ एंड मनी एंड दिस ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. You thought ki this is nothing, but this is only going to add burden into my life. I don't want this, I don't want that, I just want a simple life and blah blah blah. But now you will see that your perception is kind of changing. Now you are moving more towards luxury. Now you are moving more towards having that financial freedom, manifesting abundance, not just financially but in other ways as well, manifesting creativity. Okay, so having a comfortable life, having a good amazing home where you can spend your time with your family. So those are the things which you want to build now. Okay, something that you used to think before, वो चीज़ अब change होते होते अब दूसरी direction में जा रही है. Your mindset is changing, and उस चक्कर में you might want to make a lot of changes in your career. You might want to shift to other things, or you want to do something that gives you more money, but do not be so money oriented, or do not let this entire money thing create any kind of pressure on your shoulders. You are on the right path. Do whatever you are being asked to do, because intuitively, yeah, there will be a sense of feeling that this is what I need to do. और दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आएगा कि बट ये करूँगा या करूँगी तो शायद से इतने पैसे ना मिले, शायद से ये ना हो, शायद से वो ना हो. बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मतलब बट तब भी मुझे लग रहा है मुझे ये करना चाहिए. उस टाइप का एक इनर डायलॉग चल सकता है. ओके, सो पे अटेंशन टू दोज इनर डायलॉग्स. दोज इनर डायलॉग्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. ट्राई टू मेक अ हैबिट दैट यू आर जर्नलिंग वट एवर चैनल्ड मैसेजेस यू आर गेटिंग. चैनल्ड मैसेजेस मीन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऐसा हो सकता है. ओके, दिस इज अ वन चैनल्ड मैसेज. सो ट्राई टू डू दिस these things, and try to read that book as well. You can take the screenshot and like whatever, and that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye.